welcome back. VST here, VST Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your Google Play system up to date. Why? Because guys, there's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra right here, and as you are going to also see in the video, it is updated to the very latest One UI. But the Google Play system update is available, and if I just go one step back, guys, you're gonna see that I'm running Google Play system update from the 1st of January, and it's already almost June, and we are now not sleeping day and night, just day and night dreaming about the upcoming June update. This is, by the way, the Pixel 7a, and as you can see, guys, the Google Play system update is from the 1st of May. And when I click here, check for update, you're gonna see that it's all updated. What is frustrating? So frustrating is that when you go to download and install, your phone will tell you that the software is up to date, and in this case this is the One UI 5.1. How can you check the Google Play system update on your One UI device, guys? You need to go to About Phone, then click Software Information, guys, and it's gonna be here right there. Google Play system update from the 1st of January, and then guys, you can click download and install. It's just a 10 megabytes update. But how can you check what you've just updated, guys? Because there is no changelog info. Well, just open Google, type Google Play system update May. There's gonna be a support link from Google. What's new in Google system updates? They make your Android devices more secure and more reliable, and they give you new and useful features. Now, of course, not all the time, and you need to realize this applies to Android TV, Google TV, Android Auto enabled vehicles, Wear OS devices, Chrome OS devices, so it's really covering, I would say, the whole Google ecosystem. Some updates for Wear, new developer feature for Google and third-party app developers to support device connectivity, also phone, and guys, also there are new updates for the developer services for the Google Play Store, and what is even more important, guys, for the security and privacy, is passwords now can be imported to the Google Password Manager on Android. Passwords now can be imported to the Google Password Manager. Utilities, turning off sync with Google Contact will now remove the previously synced contacts from your Android phone. Also some things for the wallet and system management, guys. But let's just agree that I'm gonna leave the link down below for you to check whatever you're getting. Now, how can you check on your One UI device if you're running the latest one? Because I now restarted my phone and the Google Play system update is still showing to be from the 1st of January. So this time, guys, there is another update. Remember last time it was 10 megabytes. Now I need to apply another update, which is only 161K, and that's the latest security update from Google. I'm gonna go here to System, then click to System Update, and then my system is just updated. And I can of course check for an update, but it all comes down to this. Now on the One UI devices, apparently we need to do this manually, which is a bit frustrating. And I hope that Samsung are going to fix this. Now, let me speed up, guys, after the restart and check if I still now have the latest patch or I need to apply additional updates. So back after the second update and the second restart, guys, and I'm still using the old update. So how many times should I update it? Update size 721. Latest security update from Google, guys. I am going to now download this one more time, install the update, and just keep going until I'm able to see something like this, like your system up to date. So after the third restart, guys, I am still at January. OMG, checking one more time. This time it's 51 megabytes. I'm not sure if something wrong is happening with my phone, but okay, let's just go for that additional update. Don't do it like I did it, guys. Don't do it like I did it, guys. Do better. That's why I'm making this video. Right, let me speed up, restart, check one more time where we are. Alright, guys, after the fourth update, we now finally see 1st of May. But is this the latest update? Yep, this time it is, guys. So Android version 13, Google Play system update from the 1st of May. It's pretty much here, still the same on the Pixel device, guys. So we have been doing it wrong, or I have been doing it wrong. Now we know how to do it. Please go check. Hopefully you are going to be very soon updated. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy videos like this. While updating, you might as well want to support the channel, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.